It starts in silence, that heavy, uncomfortable silence where your thoughts get louder than the world around you. The kind of silence that follows another failure, another closed door, another night staring at the ceiling, wondering if this is all your life will ever be. Your heart knows you want more, but your mind keeps asking the same dangerous question. What if I'm not enough? Everyone talks about success like it's a straight road, but your road, it feels broken, uneven, full of stops, detours, and dead ends. You wake up tired before the day even begins. You show up, but deep down you feel invisible. You work hard, but the results don't come, and slowly, quietly, doubt starts to whisper. It says, maybe this dream isn't for you. You try to stay strong. You tell yourself to keep going. But the truth is, some days you're not fighting the world. You're fighting yourself. You're fighting the voice that reminds you of every mistake you've made, every time you fell short, every promise you broke to yourself, and that voice knows exactly when to speak, when you're exhausted, when you're alone, when hope feels far away. This is the part no one posts online, the part where motivation disappears, where discipline feels heavy, where quitting feels like relief. You start comparing your life to others. They're winning, they're moving forward, and you're stuck, asking yourself why you're even trying anymore. The dream that once excited you now feels like a burden you're carrying alone. But listen carefully. This moment, this exact moment, matters more than any win you'll ever celebrate. Because giving up doesn't happen loudly, it happens quietly. It happens when you convince yourself that rest means stopping forever. It happens when you lower your standards, shrink your dreams, and settle for a life that feels safe but empty. And once you do that, you don't just lose the dream. You lose a part of who you are. There comes a night where everything feels too heavy. You sit there, surrounded by your thoughts, and you're forced to choose. Not between success and failure, but between comfort and growth, between staying the same and becoming someone stronger. That's the turning point. Not when the world changes, but when you decide you're done running from discomfort. You realize something powerful. Your pain isn't proof that you're weak. It's proof that you're trying. Every setback you faced didn't break you, it trained you. Every time you failed, you learned what doesn't work. Every tear you hid, every rejection you survived, every lonely step forward was building something inside you that can't be taught. You stop asking, why is this so hard? And you start asking, who is this turning me into? That's when growth begins. Not all at once, not overnight, but quietly. You start showing up even when you don't feel like it. You start keeping promises to yourself again. Small ones, simple ones. You stop waiting for motivation and start moving with discipline. One step, one decision, one day at a time. You learn to respect the process. You learn that confidence isn't loud, it's consistent. You learn that strength isn't never falling, it's always getting back up. And slowly, the same days that once drained, you start shaping you. The same struggle that made you doubt yourself starts sharpening you. People won't notice at first. They never do. They won't see the early mornings, the late nights, the sacrifices you make in silence. But you'll feel it. You'll feel your mindset shift. You'll feel your standards rise. You'll feel yourself becoming harder to break. And one day, without warning, something clicks. You look back at the person you used to be, the one who almost quit, the one who almost gave up, and you feel proud. Not because everything worked out perfectly, but because you didn't stop. Because when quitting was easier, you chose to continue. That's what never give up really means. It doesn't mean you're fearless. It means you move forward despite the fear. It doesn't mean you never doubt yourself. It means doubt doesn't control your actions. Your journey isn't late. It isn't wasted. It isn't meaningless. Every step you take right now is preparing you for a level of success you're not ready for yet. But you will be. Stay in the fight. Stay disciplined. Stay hungry. Because the version of you who makes it is counting on the version of you who refuses to quit today. Subscribe for more motivation.